The power of sound, the power of intention and creation and vibration. From the first cry of a newborn baby until the final breath we take, our voices are intended for communication. When we add tone to the voice, it becomes doubly powerful. St. Thomas Aquinas said, "He who chants prays twice." Today, modern research in the field of psychoneuroimmunology has documented that vocal toning is one of the best ways to create an integration of mind and body and to achieve a state of relaxed focus. Intention is everything, and the intention of vocal toning is to balance mind and body, to create a bridge between the earthly and the spiritual, and to achieve a state of focused balance. The research in vocal toning has shown, the research that was done at Southern Methodist University showed that 10 minutes of vocal toning is equivalent to 5 milligrams of Valium. So I think this is something you might want to learn and practice and utilize, put to work in your career. Will you join me now? Will you please stand and join me in another minute of vocal toning?